You don't know which platform to choose for Forex trading? I made my top 3 platforms, and today we're going to break down each of them so you can figure out which platform is right for you. And at the end of the video, I will give you some useful tips to help you in choosing a platform. This will save not only your time, but also your money. First, let's talk about why choosing a platform is so important in the first place. When it comes to trading on Forex, the platform is your main tool. Not only the convenience of your work depends on it, but also your profit. A user-friendly interface allows you to make quick decisions and navigate through charts. Another important point is reliability. The platform should work stably even in periods of high volatility. No one wants that the application hangs during the publication of important news, when the market is literally boiling. That is why choosing a platform is not just a matter of convenience. It directly affects whether you will be able to make money on Forex or face constant technical and financial problems. Now let's move on to the first platform from our top 3, MetaTrader platform. Let's see why it is still one of the most popular among traders all over the world. If you have ever been interested in trading on Forex, you have definitely heard about this platform. MetaTrader has been a benchmark in the world of trading for almost 20 years due to its reliability and versatility. MetaTrader is available in 2 versions, MT4 and MT5. MetaTrader is an easy platform to get started with. Its interface is simple and intuitive. Even if you have just opened the trading terminal for the first time, you will not feel confused. The toolbar is clearly structured. You can immediately see charts, available trading pairs, and indicators. Everything you need is at hand. You can easily add currency pairs, create your own instrument lists, and monitor market dynamics in real time. This allows you to quickly switch between assets and not miss profitable opportunities to enter the market. Another huge plus of MetaTrader is the support from brokers. Most brokerage companies offer their clients MetaTrader, especially MT4. This means that you will always have a choice among different brokers with different trading conditions. This allows you to choose the most favorable spreads, commissions, and order execution conditions. In addition, MetaTrader has a large selection of indicators and trading advisors. This makes the platform especially attractive for those who want to automate trading. This is especially convenient if you don't have the opportunity to constantly stay in front of your computer and monitor the market. But, of course, MetaTrader has its disadvantages. The MT4 interface looks a bit old-fashioned. If you are used to modern applications with a user-friendly and stylish design, MT4 may seem retro to you. Also, MetaTrader may seem a bit limited for those who want to perform in-depth technical analysis. For example, compared to TradingView, there are fewer tools for building complex charts and analyzing data. But if you use this platform primarily for opening and closing trades, this won't be a problem. MetaTrader is a reliable choice for those who want not only to trade manually, but also to use automated trading capabilities. However, if your trading requires the fastest possible order execution, or you are looking for a more modern interface, it may be worth looking at the cTrader platform. When I first opened cTrader, the first thing that caught my eye was the modern interface. If you are used to applications with user-friendly and well-thought-out design, you will definitely like cTrader. Everything looks clean, logical, and intuitive. One of the main advantages of cTrader is the speed of order execution. The platform supports the electronic communication network model, which gives you access to real market quotes and minimizes delays in opening and closing trades. If you are a scalper or actively trade intraday, cTrader can be a real boon. In practice, this means that when you click buy or sell, the trade is executed almost instantly. This is especially noticeable at times of high volatility, such as during important economic news releases. Where other platforms may freeze up, cTrader works clearly and quickly. But of course, cTrader has its own specific features that may not suit everyone. For example, not all brokers support this platform. While MetaTrader can be found at almost any broker, cTrader is not available everywhere. This can limit your choice of trading conditions a bit, especially if you are looking for certain spreads or commissions. Another point is that the platform may seem a bit more complicated for beginners. While MetaTrader greets the user with simple charts and a minimalistic interface, cTrader offers a lot of professional tools that can be a bit intimidating for those just starting out on their trading journey. However, if you are already experienced in trading and want to try something new, Trader is definitely worth a look. Its speed, transparency, and smart functionality make it a great choice for active traders. If MetaTrader is a classic and cTrader is a tool for quick trades, TradingView is a real treasure for those who love in-depth technical analysis and want to be part of the trading community. In TradingView, charts literally come to life under your fingers, especially if you use the mobile version or tablet. This is a platform where you can not only analyze the market, but also experiment with various tools, from simple indicators to complex scripts in PineScript language. The Trading Ideas function is especially convenient. This is not just a platform, but a kind of social network for traders. You can publish your forecasts, watch other traders' ideas, discuss market situations, and even get feedback from more experienced users. This allows you not only to improve your skills, but also to learn from the examples of others. But it is important to realize that TradingView is primarily an analytical tool. Yes, it is possible to trade with some brokers directly through the platform, but there are not so many such brokers. Most often, traders use TradingView to analyze and then open trades through MetaTrader or another trading platform. Besides, some of TradingView functionality is available only in paid subscriptions. For example, if you want to use more than 3 indicators on one chart or test complex strategies, you will have to subscribe to Pro version or higher. However, even in the free version, TradingView offers a lot of analysis possibilities, which makes it a great choice for traders of any level. If you are looking for a tool that will help you not only analyze the market, but also get fresh ideas from other traders, TradingView is definitely worth a try. And one more important thing, you can easily combine TradingView platform with another trading platform, whether it is MetaTrader or cTrader. Why is this convenient? The fact is that although TradingView offers great tools for analysis, not all brokers support the ability to trade directly through this platform. But this is not a problem at all. You can do all your analysis on TradingView, build charts, test strategies, use unique indicators, and even track other traders' trading ideas. And when you are ready to open a trade, just go to MetaTrader or cTrader and place the order there. So far, we have discussed in detail each of the 3 platforms, MetaTrader, cTrader, and TradingView, but how to choose the right one for you. If you are a beginner or looking for a reliable platform for automated trading, choose MetaTrader. If your goal is active trading with maximum speed of order execution, look at cTrader. If you are focused on market analysis and want to get ideas from other traders, TradingView will be a great tool. But most importantly, remember that the choice of a platform depends not only on its capabilities, but also on your trading style. If you can, test each platform on a demo account. This will help you feel which one is really convenient for you. We've already covered the 3 best Forex trading platforms in detail. But what if I told you that you can trade profitably even without constantly monitoring the market? For this, you can use the MiloBot PRO Expert Advisor, which precisely follows the author's strategy without your intervention. The Expert Advisor is available for use on the MetaTrader platform. Over the past 4 years, the Expert Advisor was able to increase the deposit from $34,000 to $272,000, and you can see it yourself. The independent account monitoring site, my FX book, has all the data about the Expert Advisor's trading, results, and trade statistics. And if you want to make sure that MiloBot Pro is effective without risking your capital, download the demo version of the Expert Advisor. You will be able to test it on any time frame and see how it works in real market conditions. You can purchase MiloBot Pro or download the demo version on the MQL5 website. All links, as always, you will find in the description below this video. So, we have analyzed in detail the 3 best platforms for trading on Forex: MetaTrader, cTrader, and TradingView. Each of them has its own advantages and disadvantages, so the best way to choose the right platform is to test them yourself. I highly recommend starting with a demo account. This will allow you not only to familiarize yourself with the functionality of each platform, but also to understand how comfortable you are with the interface, whether orders are executed quickly, and whether the analysis tools are suitable for your trading style. Remember that every trader is unique, and what works perfectly for one trader may not work for another. Try all 3 platforms, study their capabilities, test different strategies, and only then make a decision. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel